Mother Lily, I met her dahil sa Itbulaga. So she used to have placements, trailers para sa show namin, and she was one of the first who helped us by giving us her stars, yung mga Regal Babies, to help boost our ratings. Kasi at that time, medyo hirap pa yung Itbulaga. And after that, I would go here, dito sa Valencia. Mahinig din ako ng trailers. Pero doon ko makikita si Mother ng babato, ng telepono, nagagalit. Pero ganun lang siya. It's a natural thing. An unorthodox si Mother Lily kasi. Alam mo ba, pag kumakain kami ng buffet sa EDSA Plaza, pinababalot niya sa waiter yung mga leftover. Tapos sasabihin ko, Mother, bawal yan ah. Aba, hindi. Tatapon lang nila ito. Uuwi ko to. So, ganun si Mother. Sobrang, ano tawag ko dyan? Prudent. I think Mother is very prudent. And, ano ba si Mother Lily? She was my ninang sa kasal. And her, she is a very generous person na sinasabi na ng lahat ng tao. She's a star maker, director maker, politician maker, di ba? Lahat ng tinutulungan niya, type niya manalo sa bilang senador, she would be there to help them sa publicity. And doon nag-emerge yung entertainment and politics. Kay Mother Lily lang yun, lalo na sa mga articles ni Ricky Lo.
Ano pa sasabihin ko?
Anyway, so the Wednesday Club started, actually it was Tuesday, in 2001. And ever since, we've always been together. Nandiyan yung mga original, some left, some are here. Ito, mga dagdag niya. And then si Mother would be, her love language is sharing. Sharing her blessings. Meron dyan, isang member namin, nakakuha ng iPad. Hindi pa uso iPad noon na. Pero binigay sa kanya. Meron dalawa sa kanila, nakakalap ng cellphone. Meron na yung kanyang rewards sa credit card, binigay niya rin. So, yeah, this person was able to bring his family sa Hong Kong. So, ganun kagalante si Mother. Saka plus food, di ba? Every Wednesday, yayayain kami sa Gloria Maris. That's where we eat also. Pag hiningi niya na yung bill, lalabas na 5 senior card. Pero siya lang, kanya lang yun ah. So, and she can get away with it, di ba? So, basta okay yan. So, tatanggapin na yung mga waiters. And it was because of her, I was able to celebrate my birthdays. Kasi dati wala akong ability mag-celebrate. But she would say, come, celebrate. Sagot niya yan sa Imperial Palace. And then we would be singing, dancing, eating. That's the Wednesday Club since 2001. Ganun nakatagal. And kaya lang during this pandemic, medyo nabawasan na. We didn't see her anymore. But we did, through Roselle, na meron kami once a month, at least to visit her. Then, syempre, nanibago na kami. That was in the Mother na nag-exercise habang at 3 a.m. Naglalakad din sa Imperial, nag-exercise habang kami umiinom. Tapos nagpapamasahe habang kami umiinom. Ganun si Mother ka crazy. But definitely she's well loved. And one thing I can also admire with Mother is she's very forgiving. Basta. She's very forgiving to me. Merong, syempre na-hurt siya. But she would always forgive.
Ang layo.
Hindi na ako mag-ibig.
Example.
Kasi ang dami nila na people na tinulungan niya, pag-hospital, sinububayan. Pero, di ba, hindi maalis yung, ano tawag niya, disagreements, lalo na sa pagdating sa industriya. But one thing we with her, pag makita niya, she would smile already. Forgive. I don't know if she forgets, pero minsan she does not forget. So that's it, my mother. My mother who also taught me how to, from her, I learned how to take care of the budget ng mga pelikula. Nalaman ko na paano ako masitipid dahil kay mother ko. So, she's not only a mother, sa pangangalaga sa amin, but also sa pagturo sa akin about movie making. So that is mother. Of course, we love you, and we'll see you. It's not goodbye. Arrivederci, sabi na. Thank you.